Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Sakim with Live Be Do. I'm out here with Tomas, my man over there. So,
Hey, put him on there too.
oh,
He want to get in too. Shit.
¿cuál es su nombre?
Mario.
Mario.
Okay.
Mario, Tomás, y yo, Akim. All right, so check it out. We're here for a consultation for dental work. I'm going to see if I can, let me turn around here. I got a couple of fillings and possibly a crown or two that need some work. So I'm here just to see, I know what it costs in the US. I'm here just to see if they can do it and how much. All right, so I want to add that we are in a mall. So downstairs you can shop.
On the second floor is the food.
Second floor is the food. There's a casino right there. I just ran by the casino. But most of these services above the second floor are medical, cosmetic surgery, dentistry, you name it. And this is Unicentro? Unicentro in Cali, Colombia. Is this considered the South, the Central,
This
or?
is the south.
Okay.
South.
South Cali. So check it out. We'll be posting more. We'll be sharing more information about this process and keeping you informed. All right, so Thomas is going first. He's going to be the guinea pig. If he screams, I'm out. All right, I'm gonna just film up until the time they get you strapped in, and then I'll step back out.
Why you gotta say strapped in?
¿Me quieres un favor? No, la verdad, because only today is only appointment, ¿verdad? Si you
Oh, she's gonna do X-rays.
No, she's gonna show him everything that's going on. So right now she's gonna be checking him out, and then we're gonna, if he decides that he wants to move on, we'll go for X-rays and a tomography because she'll need deeper testings.
Okay, that's Dr. Sánchez. Marcela Sánchez. And shout out to Jerry and Dr. Sánchez for allowing us to come in and film. And shout out to Tomas for being a guinea pig, because if he screams, I'm out.
¿Cómo está su parte de análisis? Sí, igual acá.
So she would like to see a tomography to see what it looks like because that tooth didn't go all the way up to the gums. Feel them, touch them. They're very thin, they're very...
Going 1.7 millimeters. Solo que va encima. Mire que esto no es de todos los pacientes, esto es de cada paciente.
This is one, every client is different. This is called an onlay. An onlay is when you have a deep cavity. Instead of doing fillings, we do it in porcelain so it can match your tooth on top. See?
Okay, but how? When it comes to eating, I mean, are they tough?
The same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just, this is like having your own teeth.
Okay.
This is the best material. This is like a Bentley.
Y eso es de cada paciente, ¿no? Por lo menos aquí están las de Caterine, aquí están sus...
You know, because the guy the Intercontinental, you said remember he said he got his done and he said they told him he could never bite like an apple, like ever again.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
That's different. If he got composite lumineers, it's different because those are not that strong. Now, you should cut up your fruits. You should cut up your meat.
Well, yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
That you should do that with your own teeth.
Okay.
They're just saying the tearing part is not good for your teeth. But you can tear. It's just that you gotta take care of your teeth.
Okay, but this is a tougher material, right?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the strongest material because
Okay.
this is cemented to your own tooth, and your teeth are untouched
Okay.
underneath. We don't shave them down like
They're
they do
the same.
in Turkey. In the States, they do also in Texas. They shave them down. They leave them looking like shark teeth. We don't do that.
You never stay.
Okay.
It's basically
You can-
they prepare your teeth and they cement this on top of your tooth.
Oh, they
so
put it
notice
right
that
on?
this wraps around your
You
tooth.
can't during no problem.
And are you still able to floss?
You are able to floss.
Always.
Yeah.
Okay.
With the crowns is a little
No,
different, right?
no
With the
segment,
crown that she's
water
offering you,
Okay.
since it's a long structure, you're only gonna be able to floss here and here, not in the middle, because
Right.
it's gonna be an
Because
attached.
it's one structure.
It's one
Okay.
structure.
Inside in your
But see how this has a little ledge? I don't know if you're able to see, but
Okay, I see it, yeah.
it covers the bottom of your tooth.
¿De glass?
Okay.
Oh, okay. So it's like a shelf, like a
It's
hook
like a
to-
shell, yeah.
Sí, colocan los labios. Ajá.
Okay.
Del
Hey.
light, ¿cómo se trata de pasar?
It's translucent.
¿Cómo se trata de pasar?
Translucent.
Eso es pasar.
Uh-huh.
So you can see your tooth through it, or
No, because you'll put cement underneath it.
Ah,
You
okay.
get to choose the cement color also.
Between this and veneer cement.
Cement.
cement. Okay.
Okay. Hey, King, while you filming, I'm glad he said what he said, because Turkey was one of the places that I was
Different.
I
Oh, you were gonna consider
It
it?
was option, to get my dental work.
They'll
I'm
kill
glad,
you.
I'm glad we did come.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll have to kill your teeth. Basically, you'll have to get root canals in each one of them.
I see.
Because otherwise you're gonna feel sensitivity every time you drink something, every time you're eating something hot.
Okay.
You'll feel pain because they
Yeah.
shave your. They're basically filling your teeth.
Mm.
See,
So okay,
Okay,
so
cool.
let me ask this. All right, so in what she was saying, okay, it's part of that. That's like an X-ray. Is that like the?
it's deeper than an X-ray. It's
Okay.
actually called a tomography. In the States, we call it. It's a CAT scan.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
CAT scan.
Whoa. Okay.
It's really deep
Okay.
A CAT scan of your jaw?
Can I?
to see deep inside your tissue. Mira, tú tienes un ejemplo de un CAT scan de una
De una tomografía
tomografía.
así, el doctor era hombre llamando.
I'm gonna show you one
Pero
from
ahora
a
tengo el
doctor.
físico.
Okay. Okay.
Pero me da- mentira, sí. Profesor de bone, de hueso.
See how it measures the thickness of your bone, the length of each space, so they know exactly where they need to place the implant.
O sea, dice exactamente si se puede colocar, si hay el hueso suficiente.
Then what happens is that they do bone grafting. They implant bone instead first. They let it heal,
Okay.
and then you're able to get your implant.
Oh, so I can still get implant.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
It's
okay.
just a longer process because it takes longer.
It takes- so the bone has to build up.
Se ha atrapado por el hueso.
The implant needs to be attached to the bone structure.
Okay. Right.
All right, so it's my turn. I'm in the hot seat now. She's about to check me out and see what she's gonna be able to do for me. See if she can help me.
No problem.
And so I just got a little assessment here with Thomas. I like what I'm hearing, and Jerry's going to show us around, show us the team, give us a little more information, and of course, we're going to go and do our homework. We're going to go check reviews. We're not just going to go into this blindly, and I suggest you do the same with whatever service you choose in Colombia as far as cosmetic surgery or anything medical. If you're doing any medical tourism, look for reviews,